Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 oil and euro future update video for April, Friday the 13th, 2012. So, yesterday was such a bull day and such a strong day, and I said I scaled back on a lot of my longs, and that was good because we got absolutely pummeled today, and we ended up on the low of the day. A total reversal bar from yesterday. Looks exactly almost the same on the daily, but this one is green and today's is red. So, I've been talking about this. The second we broke out of this bull channel, which we've been on since 2012, you can see this bull channel is going on. The second we broke out of it, it all starts over. Now we're resetting. We had a huge bear day, 2 days solid, got back up, couldn't get above this 1400 level. Big sell-off today. Fear is out there. We are in a bull channel for about the whole year, I would say. So about 4 months, 3.5 months. Markets don't go up in a straight line forever. Corrections are healthy. Corrections do not last the course of 5 days and then we rally back to the highs. Corrections usually last 3 to 4 weeks. So I think one of a couple things. Either we are range bound with the high being a 1420 and the low being about 1335. That's my one prediction, is we're just going to sit in this range, 1335 to 1420. Or B, we correct for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then we end up higher on the year, and we rally to this 1484 level, which is my target. But I am fearful. I took off a lot of longs yesterday. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. We opened up. Make sure that I'm on the correct timetable. No, that's probably the right time. Oops. So we opened up this morning. We were down about 6 points overnight. We opened up at 1380. Selling pressure all day long. Broke the cloud to the downside. I probably should have sold this bar with a stop above it. So I'd have risked about 7 points, and I would have got about 10 points to the downside. And just selling pressure all day long. A lot of overlapping bars. Not much movement intraday. If you look at it between about 9 o'clock, 9:20 to 2:20, we are in about a 5-handle range. So very tight range, overlapping bars. Retail sales on Monday. More earnings continue next week. Google sold off hard, closed on the low of the day. I day traded a couple stocks I talked about in the live trading room. Let me just pull those up for you. CMG, and I've been using the 5 minutes to day trade. And I bought CMG right here on the breakout of the cloud. 433.70 I got in. And it would have taken me, if I left in the whole time, 8.5 points to the upside. I had measure move targets of here, and my final was 439.70. So I day traded CMG really well. Let's look at Las Vegas Sands as well. Las Vegas Sands, I bought the breakout of the cloud. 60.57, I actually got a couple cents lower right around here. Got up to 61.15, which is my measure move target, where we see all these overlapping bars. Sold back off. But let's go back to more future content. Let's go look at oil. Oil, not much going on. I'm very bearish oil short term. I think there's more downside. I think we're going to crack the $100 level. If we look at the daily, this is the 5 minute. The 5 minute didn't have much range, but we're still in the cloud. We actually kind of busted it through the downside. I think we test 100 and go lower. Oil is linked to the stock market. The more oil goes down, the more stock market goes down. It's not an indirect correlation. It is directly correlated. It has to do with the global growth story. So if we want the market to rally, oil needs to get back to this range. I don't think it's going to break this 105.20 for a while. I think oil has more room to the downside. Let's look at the euro. Euro got slammed today. We'll look at the daily of the euro. Almost breaking the cloud to the downside. This 130 is going to play a huge test. We're at 130.84. This is going to play a huge test. I think we test back down on the euro as well. 126.50. I think we get down there before we hit this 134 half level. So I'm bearish euro. I think the market's going to trade range bound, and I'm bearish on oil. But if you remember, you have to be in the live trading. We have a live trading room. Equity options. I started day trading the stock, futures, currency pairs. We do it all. Email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com for a free trial. Have a great weekend, guys. And remember, one click of the button, you can go from long to short, short to long, and long to flat. Have a great weekend.